Welcome to my blog here in San Ildefonso, La Granja. They call it the Royal Palace of La Granja of San Ildefonso. The Royal Palace of La Granja de San Ildefonso, known as La Granja, is an early 18th century palace in the small town of San Ildefonso. So ito ang ating short visit. We visited the garden kasi sarado naman yung palace, hindi bawal pumasok, baka mayroon mga nakatira. Ito ay isang palace ni Philip V, the first Bourbon to reign in Spain. Fell in love with this beautiful place in 1717. Such was his crush that he decided to build a palace and garden there, decorated with sculptures and fountains that reminded him of his childhood at the French court of his grandfather Louis VI. So after short visit dito sa La Granja, decide kami mag-drive na naman. Papunta na kami sa Suria, mag-overnight. Pero naisipan daan muna sa Pedraza. Ito rin ay isang village na touristic village. So thank you for watching for my short video for today. And then continue na naman tayo sa next village na ating stopover. Short visit na naman. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Ciao, ciao!